Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. So today I'm trying out the Your Nail Lab in a box, and this is for the month of August. Makartt kindly sent me this to try out for you guys, and I'm really excited because this is like one of my favorite boxes that I think I've seen so far. These boxes range in products, so you can actually have polygel, gel polish, and the acrylic / dip powder, but I'm going to quickly show you everything that you get for now. And I want to say that it did also come with a top coat, which I was really happy about because I saw some boxes they had the base coat and I was really hoping mine had the top coat, which it does. And as you can see, it's beautiful jelly kind of holographic top coat, and it's really pretty as well. You also get a choice of like gel polishes. Again, this ranges, it's different in like different boxes. So I got this baby blue and this purple, and I really liked these colors because I don't have these in my collection yet. I think I don't have any of these products in my collection yet, so it's really nice to see that Makartt kind of does switch it out. And I just want to let you guys know that you can subscribe to these boxes. They have a 1 month, a 3 month, and a 6 month subscription, which you can subscribe to in order to get your box. And I would also want to say that these boxes kind of range in value, so it's usually between $60 to $100, but you pay like I believe $35 a month, so it's actually very good value for money. And the products that you get are also very good to create like so many different nail looks. Another thing that I like that Makartt does with these boxes is that they always include some kind of decorations, and I really like that. So I'm just quickly showing you guys the shades. This one was really pretty. It was like a brown with this pink and like reflective glitter in it. It was so nice. And another one was this one. It's called Crimson Cherry, I believe. And this one I don't have in my collection yet. It's this really bright red, and I think I might do like another nail set using this box because I feel like I want to use that red polygel and also this gel liner. This one is kind of like a spider gel consistency. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that, but it's quite a thick stringy kind of gel. Now I'm just showing you the stuff that you get in like the decoration kit, and I really like this one because you get some stickers in case you want to do something really quick, but you also get some really pretty glitters, and I really liked every single thing that you get in here, especially this hot pink one. It's one I used today, and as you can see, it's really nice. It's got a bit of like hearts, circles, and some stars in there, and it's all hot pink. You also get these kind of feather charms too. You get some like fumo canes, I believe, and I really wanted to create a look with this today, but I think I might save it for the red polygel. And you also get these 2 dot glitters. These are like matte, but the yellow one has some reflective glitters in there as well. And then you also get some crystals, so you get a lot in this kind of kit, and I really liked it. So now, as always, I'm just going to apply my peel off base coat to start off this nail design. I like to apply peel off base because I just like to pop the nails off. I'm trying to film, so I don't want to have to keep filing and soaking my nails off, so I just use a peel off base. It's easiest. This is one from UNT, and it's just a really good one, and I use it all the time. If you guys have been watching me for a while now, you know I love this one. And I also like to use the 8-in-1 gel from Born Pretty. I used to use the 6-in-1, but then I realized they have the 8-in-1, which you can buy individually. So yes, I will link this down below. I like to use this because it's so thick and it creates a really strong base for my nails, and I like that because, like I said, I apply a peel off base coat and it helps for my nails to stay on when I'm filing and just doing them in general. So yeah, I just really like to use that. Then I also take some of that gel and apply it to the wells of my nail tips. These nail tips are from Amazon, and I'll link them down below. And I just like to apply the gel really quick and then kind of cure them onto my nail, as you'll see in a minute. So what I do is I just press the nail at the free edge, and then I kind of just hold it under this little light. This is the Born Pretty light, and as you can see, it's so convenient to put on these nail tips. Then once that's done, I'm quickly taking down the length of my nails to whatever length I like and just making sure it's all even. Then I'm just taking a fine grit sanding band, and this is the Makartt JD700 e-file, and I'm just removing the shine of the nail tips because you want the polygel to really grip onto the nail so that it kind of lasts much longer. So this is a really important step, so try not to forget that. Then I'm just going to wipe away the dust and then apply another layer of that base. Again, I like to use the 8-in-1 gel from Born Pretty. You can also use the Makartt base coat, it works great, but I just like something that's really thick for this, so I'm just going to apply that and then finally cure that for 60 seconds. So once that's all cured, I'm taking the Makartt base coat this time and I'm doing a thin layer of this, and I actually wanted to do this because I was thinking of using the dot glitters, but then I changed my mind and used the pink ones more. So instead of doing a full nail of the dot glitters, I ended up doing this pink glitter, which is really pretty, and then I'm gonna go in with some of the purple dots from the yellow glitters, and I'm just gonna apply those. I'm also curing each nail as I go along because I don't want to mess up like the other nail, and I think this color combo was really pretty. By the end, I feel like the top coat kind of took away a little bit from like these really pretty glitters. I think because it's not a really clear top coat, it's more of like a holographic, but it has a bit of like this milkiness to it. It's so slight, I feel like, but I feel like it kind of took a little bit away from these glitters, but overall it was still very, very pretty. And you'll see later on when I go to like finish my polygel application, you'll see how clear they are and how good it shows through. But when I apply the top coat, it kind of took away from that, but it's okay. I think it still looked pretty regardless. I'm just finishing off with some more of those dots. Honestly, they were kind of tricky to like pull out because they kept going to the bottom of the little pot. But yeah, I think I did a pretty good job with that. Then I thought I would try to use this polygel. This one is called Top Notch. And as you can see, it's gold, but it has this really pretty iridescent pinky oranginess to it. Like, I don't even know what that is. It's just so pretty. And on top of that, it is reflective, so when you put flash on it, it will show. And I'm just building up the nail. I'm doing the 1 bead method, and this polygel was really soft, very easy to work with. I'm also using the Makartt cleanser that comes in this kit as slip solution, which is a big plus because I feel like Makartt doesn't include that in the kits anymore, which is fine. But it's nice to see that they put it in this one. It honestly works so good. So yeah, you guys will really love this kit if you try it out. I keep saying kit, it's actually just like a box, I guess. You guys will really love this box, and you can also kind of customize it online as well. So they've done this little thing where you answer a couple questions from their quiz, and then it will like curate a box custom to you, which is very cool, I think. So you can kind of choose whether you want polygel, the acrylic / dip, or just gel polish, and you can choose that, and it's just really good. So I didn't choose my box, this is just what they sent me, but I think it's just because my channel is mostly polygel based. So thank you, Makartt, for sending me the polygel. I think it's really pretty, especially that red shade, which I didn't use in today's video, but I feel like I definitely have to do a part 2 to this. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do like a part 2 to this video, like using some of the other products that I didn't use. I think it will look really good, and I already kind of have something in mind, so just let me know and drop me a comment. Also, if you're still watching this video and you've made it this far, thank you so much. I really appreciate you being here right now. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to drop me a little heart emoji in the comment section so that I know you're still watching. And I just want to say a huge thank you. I also will be having more videos coming up. I've got like a ton of product reviews to do. I've just not been uploading as much as I used to because of some stuff that's been going on and that I need to sort out, like school and everything. So I'm just kind of really stressed right now and not really been thinking about filming too much. So thank you guys for your patience. I will still be trying my hardest to like push out a video at least once a week. And yeah, I hope you guys are still enjoying and that you're all doing well. So in case I didn't mention it already, I am using the Makartt clay. It is a really good clay. As you see by the end of like me applying this now, you see how clear it actually gets. And I just want to say this clay does not come in the kit. However, you can buy this individually. I would recommend buying the Makartt clay individually in like the full size too, because I feel like it's one of those basic products that you're gonna need, especially if you're doing polygel, because you're gonna use it all the time. So you can also use my discount code nails by Camin to save yourself 15% off the like the other products as well. And yeah, the Makartt clay is just really good. I've been using it forever and I've kind of run out. I need to like go and grab another one soon, but yeah, this clay is really good. So to finish off the nail design, I'm gonna do the AC Ester shade on the thumb. In case I didn't mention that already, I have used AC Ester on the ring finger. It's the classic Makartt nude. It's a really good nude and a lot of people use it. It's one of my personal favorites, but I'm also thinking of getting some of the other Makartt nudes, like some of the pinkier, softer ones and just a bunch of others, because I feel like it's the only nude I use pretty much and I kind of want to change it up. So once I have more time, I'm just gonna have to be doing some nail shopping, so I might do a haul on that, just because there's some things that I'm gonna need soon. I also went and bought some lights today for my YouTube channel because I think my lighting is okay, but at times, especially when I show the final result of the nail set of what it looks like, I feel like sometimes the light doesn't catch the sparkles or the whatever I've put on the nail properly, and it kind of annoys me. So I kind of wanted to get better lights. I also wanted to make the whole video look brighter as well, so that's something I bought as well. I might include that in the haul. I don't know if I'm doing a haul yet. Let me know if you want to see that. I have a bunch of other videos to do first though. So if you do want to see a haul, it might come a little bit late, but I would be down to do it. So that's the thumb done. Now once the full hand is cured really good, I'm just removing that sticky layer using my lint-free wipe and that Makartt nail cleanser, which I used as a slip solution as well. And make sure that you get the underneath of the nail as well, just in case there's any like gel residue there. You don't want to mess up your file. So I will be using the Makartt dust collector today to file. It's a really good dust collector. I've been using it a lot recently, and it's just been very good at keeping my table dust free, like 90% dust free. There's always a little bit of dust somewhere, like it doesn't catch it fully, but most of the dust, like 90% of it, is in the dust collector by the time I'm done, which is great. So now I'm taking my 100 grit hand file. I love using a 100 grit. It's just so easy. Polygel is so nice and soft. It just kind of cuts right through it so easy. So it saves me a lot of time. I basically just go along the free edge, the side walls, and straighten those out, kind of shape up the nail, make it more narrow, whatever I need to do, and then I will do the free edge and then kind of do the surface, and that's pretty much what I do. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and then I go in with a buffing block and just buff the surface too and the side walls, and that's pretty much it. I remove the dust, and now I'm going to get on to the nail design. So I wanted to use that purpley kind of shade. It's a little bit kind of like a sheer milky kind of purple. I liked it. I don't have a color like this, and I like that you can kind of get away with doing a sheer coat. Sometimes I do like gel polishes like that, and I'm just doing a French tip, just kind of going with the first coat. As you can see, the first coat is not very opaque, it's very like sheer, so I'm going to build it up with a second coat. And the brush I'm using is, I believe it's my Glitterbels brush. It's like an old brush that I have, but I use it a lot because it's just really good. But yeah, then I'm taking a little cleanup brush and cleaning up where it needs to be cleaned up. I did a review on these brushes as well. It's like a whole other brush collection. If you guys missed it, I will link it down below or up in the cards, but it was really good. And I used the little 3D brush as the cleanup brush. It works really good. You guys should try it. Try to use a little 3D brush as a cleanup brush. It works really, really good. So now I'm just fixing up the line, and I'm basically repeating that French tip to the thumb. And once I'm almost done with the nails, I'm basically gonna make sure I cure the whole hand again for 30 seconds. I like to do this just because I will sometimes get some of my gel polish to wrinkle, and it's really annoying. So just to be sure, even though I've cured each finger individually, I like to just do the whole hand in the end for 60 seconds. So now I'm gonna do the top coat. I was really excited about this part because I've never used a holographic top coat before. This is my first time ever using it, and this one was very pretty. I really did like it. I think it worked so good with this nail set. I just wish it didn't. I don't know if I can blame the top coat, but like when I applied the polygel, it was really clear, and then after I applied the top coat, it wasn't as clear. I don't hate it. I still love it. I still will be using this top coat. I think it's great. And yeah, it's very different. I don't usually use like these glittery top coats, I guess, but it worked really good with this nail set. I also decided to do this glittery top coat to like the French tip part of the nail only, and I think that looked really nice. It's a nice little touch. And yeah, I'm basically just gonna do that and then just cure for 60 seconds again. And this top coat did not have like any sticky layer or anything, and the little glitter pieces did lay very flat. And I'm just finishing off the 2 French tip nails with regular top coat as well, because I didn't apply it to the whole nail. And then I'm going to cure that, of course, for 60 seconds again. And then once that's cured, I'm doing a little bit more of the no wipe top coat, and I'm using that as my little glue for the crystals. So I'm using the crystals that come in the nail box, and I'm doing just like a simple crystal kind of application going down the nail. And yeah, I really liked it. I like how these crystals have like different colors in them, and they're all kind of iridescent in a way. I thought that was very cool. I don't have crystals like this as well in my collection, so yeah, really nice for these to be in there, just kind of adjusting them. I think these look really cute. Of course, we're going to finish off with the Makartt soy cuticle oil. This is a very good one as well, and then just rub that in. This one doesn't come in the kit, but you can use my discount code Nails by Camin to get that from the Makartt website and save yourself 15% off. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. Personally, I really like these nails. I think they turned out really cute and just very different. I like the contrasting colors. I think those glitters are very pretty, and those crystals. I think this box is definitely worth the money. And you can also like kind of curate it and customize it to whatever you want. So yeah, very good job, Makartt. I think you guys did amazing with this box. Even though I didn't choose it, I feel like you guys chose the perfect products for me, so thank you guys so much. I really enjoyed it. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see a part 2 to this. I will be more than happy to do it. And thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.